Twin horns is devastating. What is twin horns in full circle fighting system? That's when we crash forward with 2 elbows instead of 1. So from the circle guard, I would crash forward with 2 elbows. This is twin horns. If my opponent throws a lead or rear hook, and I am in the circle guard, I'm going to crash in with both elbows. One is targeting the bicep of my opponent. The other is targeting the sternum, or the chest, or the throat, or the face. For another angle. If my opponent throws the lead hook, and I am in the circle guard, I crash in. Now, from this crash, I've done my damage. I'm going to hack the side of the neck. I'm going to attach. I'm going to knee him in the groin, and I'm going to drag him down to the ground, and I'm going to escape. If, and only if, my opponent throws that hook, and I crash in with twin horns, if the arm is there and I can overhook, now I can shift my hips, snap that arm, follow up the palm heel strike, push my opponent, and escape. But you have to practice.